videoing?
Yep.
Okay. There's Dusty. There's a helicopter.
Wow.
Ooh, here's another Dusty. We're not going to get that one out, probably. I just want to see what
Theo, what do you think of all your airplanes that you got at your party?
Do you like airplanes? All these presents. Absolutely ridiculous. And then you got this big one, remember? Now, he might like this one too. That's why we probably should offer it. You know the dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, you get to open one.
You get to choose one. You have to
choose one.
one present. You want the fighter jet? What is it?
I don't know.
Which one is that? It's a Harrier.
Yeah.
No, it's not a Harrier. It's close to an F-18. You can call it an F-18.
Is it ground cheese?
It's like Grandpa T's.
Who got that for you?
Oh
Do you know who got that gift for you?
no.
We told you like 3 times. Who bought this for you?
Oh
You don't know.
no. Yeah, but there's two. Right there.
There's El Chupacabra.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, where are the fighter jets?
Oh no.
Where are they?
Oh no. Over there. Hey there. They're over there.
Hey
Good
Theo,
job.
you want to open this present? Do you know who got this present for you?
What is it?
What is it?
I know.
Yes, you do. What is it?
It's a Harrier.
It's a fighter jet.
A fighter jet.
Do you know who got it for you? Who bought you that present?
Fighter jet present.
I love how Christina put the gift receipt on here like we're going to take it back.
What do you say to Uncle Gary, Aunt Nina, and Cousin Hannah?
Thank you, Uncle Gary and Cousin Hannah and Aunt Nina.
They got that for you, honey.
Oh my goodness.
That's their present for you. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm probably going to have to get some scissors.
It's opening, Dad. It's
Yeah.
opening.
Daddy is opening this box for you.
Oh.
In a very terrible manner.
You did it.
Almost, mister.
No,
Wow.
nothing.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
You gotta cut some
I need a
ties underneath.
screwdriver.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Don't touch the apple. Stay right there.
Okay. Well, say thank you to Uncle Gary, Aunt Nina, and Cousin Hannah.
Uncle Gary and Cousin Hannah and Aunt Nina. I love you.
Oh, okay. Say bye.
Bye.
That's the gift that Theo chose to open today. Yeah.